Welcome back to Amsterdam. My goodness. I'm in candy heaven. Look at that. Crazy. Harper Sarin Kalel, you should see this. This is candy and chocolate heaven. Look at that. Oh my goodness. So pretty. I'm gonna buy you guys later, okay? So, ito yung hotel namin, yung malaki na building na yan, yung color green. Yan na, paglampas mo yan. So, dito kayo ay suggest kasi katabi nito yung mall. Ang ganda nun, no? Ang ganda. Yan, tapos, nandito na lahat ng establishments. Sobrang ganda. Dati, videohan mo ako. Naglalakad.
Woke up late, the sun still shines. Awful cold, and some peace of mind. All blue jeans.
Oh my gosh, wawa. Oh no, guys. May nabangga. Oh my God. Oh my God. Nag-stop pala yun, yung tram. Oh no. Oh my gosh. Kawawa. Steakhouse. Best steakhouse in Amsterdam. As they said. Oh, look, oh, it's not bad. Look. Good price, oh. Let me be the judge. This is the number one steakhouse in Amsterdam. So, tignan ko nga kung ano masasabi mo.
Philippines pa.
Oh, nandito yung presidente ng Netherlands. Kailangan i-stop pati yung tram. Grabe. Love the tram. Madapa ako. Ayan, yan. Dalawa sis pala eh. Ito tsaka yun. Saan yan o? There's a cafe naman pala. Ayan na. We're gonna take that.
Open boat cruise. Oh.
Cheers guys. What's your beer, boy? Huh? Ano yun?
Still water. Uy, nakita mo? Fake lang.
Mysterious big house.
Fake house lang.
Oh wow, that's amazing.
Yes, it's still the Amsterdam River. We have two beautiful bridges. The bridge over there is the most famous bridge in Amsterdam. It's a skinny bridge, the Maasbrug.
So guys, last year we were here. Naglagay kami ng mga stickers sa mga bridges. And we saw one a while ago na PBA Moto Club na sticker. This time wala na, ubos na, hindi na namin nakikita. So last time private yung boat namin. This time we tried the one with the bar.
Deze boot with the zon. Deze.
We can put the hour.
After 1 hour, ito na kami. After 1 hour, singkit na po si Japanese. Poland. Grabe. Hindi ko alam kung paano kami napunta dito, but yes, may game tayo dito. And it's all our first time here, so let's see what the city has to offer. Welcome to Warsaw, Holland. Okay, so that's their tallest tower. Wow. Oh, let's go. What do you want? May pizza pa dun, no? Oh, wow. Daming tao. Nakapantulog. So we're going to the old town in Poland. And then, sa Monday, we're flying to Rome, Italy. Pero kami na lang yung niripo. Mimit namin doon yung family niya. Si Mama Ellen, si Just, ganyan. Actually, yung Poland, close siya sa Austria. Ganito itsura.
Ese boyo. JJ. With the wifey.
Oh, mag-Uber na lang tayo. Oo. Oh, hilong-hilo yung tatlo, oh. Basta sila mag-iisip, akong magsasalita. Pagod na mag-isip. Guys, 30 pesos lang ang bus dito sa Poland. Imagine mo, nasa Europe country ka, pero 30 pesos lang. May mura din pala dito. Mas mahal pa yung tubig na binili ko kanina. Ang tubig kanina, 9 PLN, which is 100, ay kawawa naman, muntik na mabangga. 160 pesos yung kanina tubig. Pamasahe dito, 32 pesos lang. Welcome to Warsaw! Laban. JC, bigyan mo ng tip. Pwede ba ibang euro? Baka euro pwede. Euro money. Bigyan natin euro. Pag naglagay ako, baka biglang akong habulin. Ang galing. Ay, gumagalaw yung ice. Gumagalaw yung ice niya. Ikaw nga, go. Gaya mo. Ayun.
Ano yung tawag doon? Yung pangalan? Yung ano? Euro trip?
Oh, yummy, yummy, yummy. Uy, it's a date in Poland. Moto, PBA Moto Club.
BMW.
Number 1. PBA Moto. PBA Moto Club.
1,800.
Oh, wow. Nice. Aprila. Harley Davidson. Love it. Poland is so beautiful. Oh, masaya ka dyan sa picture nyo. Bakit wala kami dyan ni Erica? Parang Sailor Moon kayo dyan, ah. Tignan mo. Di ba? Sailor Moon. Yummy,
Okay ba doon?
Hi, guys.
Lagay mo
Ang
dyan.
boat gutom. Hindi kayo kumain sa outlet?
Poland, you don't disappoint.
Nag-Uber kayo?
Pwede yun, di ba?
This is our last day in Warsaw. Uwian na soon. Sila uwian na. Kami, mag-roam pa kami after this. Answer. Ano meron dyan? Ano? Uy, ang ganda ng bag. Show. Oy, I like this bag. Cherries.
Ginagawa mo, simulating yun ng world.
Okay, ngayon, paglampas doon ang transition. Okay. Ang transition.
Ano ba yan? Yung Jessa, naiiyak, nakakatawa. Grabe, pinagtatawanan ka ni Jessa. Tsaka si Erika, tuwan-tuwa sa'yo. Oh. Mapapaano ka. Nakakay. Sigawan.
Okay, ano ha? Left muna. Kamay, left muna.